Want to learn how to hide pictures on Google Photos? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to hide pictures on Google Photos, first of all, go to Google Photos just like this. And yes, you can choose any of the picture that you want to hide. I'm now going to choose one. And then tap on the three dotted vertical lines on the top right corner. Basically, hiding pictures on Google Photos means moving to archive. And you have an option of move to archive next to add to album here. Tap and move to archive. So just by doing it, you have successfully hidden the particular picture from Google Photos. And you can even get it onto archive. For that, you need to tap on this library option on the bottom right corner. Tap on archive below favorites. So that's it. That's the picture that I had hidden recently, which I wouldn't get on the main Google Photos here. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.